I think you are searching about belt tool bag, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality belt tool bag? Need free shipping belt tool bag? Looking for belt tool bag having metal hook? Looking for belt tool bag having strong bearing force? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best belt tool bag. Number 1. MASTOOL belt tool bag, and the feature is material, nylon. Feature, easy to carry, large space, thickening, metal hook. Shape, border tool belt. Tool holder, 5 to 8. Size, 58 into 16 into 6 centimeters. Let's go for number 2. WORKPRO belt tool bag, and the feature is material, polyester. Type, bag. Model number, W081096AE. Size, 30 cm into 2 cm into 26 cm. Weight, 0.4 kilograms. Let's go for number 3. Electrician tool pouch bag, and the feature is material, Oxford cloth. Feature, thickened fabric, more wear resisting, strong bearing force, multi-pocket design. Belt length, approximately 1.1 meter. Color, black with yellow. Size, approximately 270 into 250 millimeters.